Well, hello, caller. What's the location of the emergency?
So I believe I saw the Federal Way man with dementia walking along River Road, somewhere in the 5600 block of River Road.
Mm-hmm.
He was walking on northwest bound, on the shoulder, carrying a black duffel bag, wearing a white beanie.
I'm Trooper Rasmussen with the State Patrol. You're being audio and video recorded. We got a call of somebody walking out here and they're worried they might be lost. Do you know where you are right now?
Yeah.
On March 21st, 2025, we received a 911 call from a member of the public after seeing a man matching the description of a missing person from a Silver Alert. The State Patrol contacted the man and confirmed he was indeed the missing person, offering to give him a ride back to his care home facility.
It's pretty cold out here and we're a good ways from that retirement home. Are you okay if I give you a ride back there?
I would love to.
That'd be good. Let's do it. Yeah, you got to be tired at this point. Do you want some water?
No.
You're good? Okay. Yeah, let's get you in the car. Yeah. Absolutely. Absolutely. So I'm going to keep the duffel bag up front with me, but I'll get you in the back seat and we'll get you where you need to be, okay? All right. Yeah, absolutely. Here, let me get that bag from you. You can go get yourself in the back seat. Yeah, the seatbelt's weird, but just go ahead and sit down normal. It's a normal seatbelt, it just goes the wrong way. Slow and steady. There we go. Absolutely. Get you out of the rain at least. All right, just so you know, you are still being audio and video recorded back here, okay?
My name is Paul.
Michael.
Michael, pleased to meet you.
Good to meet you, sir.
All right. Good music on.
What's that?
You got good music on the radio.
Oh, yeah, thank you. Something nice to relax to.
Yeah.
After a discussion with the care home facility, it was decided we transport the gentleman to the hospital for a wellness check. We would like to thank the caller and the community for their vigilance in keeping everyone safe. If you are interested in a career with the Washington State Patrol, check out our link below.